advantages of being a team leader would be coaching. So, sino dito yung regular, they're able to coach yung mga tao nila? Anyone? As in regular? Weekly. Okay? As kayo lahat na nakakausap ninyo, which is a good thing, guys. Kasi unfortunately, there are some talaga in other organizations, hindi nila nako-coach yung kanilang mga tao. And what you have to understand, guys, pagdating naman sa coaching, it's not always dahil merong problema yung tao ninyo, di ba? Pag sinabi naman kasing coaching, or let's say, a session or a meeting, pwedeng dito you're providing updates or feedback. You're also providing them updates in terms of their performance, and at the same time, you're providing them kung ano yung mga kailangan talagang malaman, especially kung may bago, let's say, system or technology within the organization. Okay? And lastly, accountability for team results. Unfortunately, guys, let's say si boss, si CEO, si Mitch, hindi naman yan ang hahanapin lagi would be yung mga tao ninyo. At the end of the day, kayo talaga yung mananagot pagdating sa team results. Okay?